Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will teach you how to unsuspend TikTok account. So if any of your TikTok account is suspended and now you want to recover it, first of all make sure you did not done with anything that is against with TikTok community guideline. And if it's not, simply you have to create a new account on the TikTok, and after that you have to click on the three lines on the right top, then go to the settings from here. Once you will do it, simply scroll up and you have to search for the sport or report a problem. I simply go for the report a problem. Once you will do it, multiple options will be appear here, so you have to select any option like account hacked account. Just tap on it, and here you have to write your problem like by clicking on the no, and once you will do it, click on the need more help. Now you can request the team. Here you can write these details and then description, and you can also attach screenshot of your problem and then simply click on the submit. So this is the simple way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.